Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is continuously moving upside. Okay, and one thing that you have to understand here is that as soon as the price started moving above a level of 3502, we have seen there is a continuous upside, and this is the range where the price has moved. Okay, now if you look at this trend, there is a continuous high, and if you look at this trend, what we have seen, the price has touched a high of around $43.84. This is what we have seen. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall and then an upside, which is showing a pattern. And if you look at this trend, there is upside movement we have seen after, you can say, in the month of November of first week we have seen. Now if the price started sustaining above a level of 4200, chances will be very high that it can cross a level of 42 $46. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, because we have seen in the previous month of this particular high, and as soon as the price started hitting above this level, we can see it can make a new high also. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a fall, and now you have to understand, if the price keep moving above $41.28, we will see there will be an upside. So keep this point as a important level. Okay, so if it keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen. But if the price started coming down this level, we can see there are 2-3 supports, which is 4104, and then the next support coming directly at $40.90. This is what the two supports we can see. And once started falling below this level, then there is a chances that it can go further down towards $45. This is what we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further fall. Looking at this particular trend, a bigger pattern is forming in this range. Okay, and the smaller pattern is forming in this range. So once the price sustain above 42.46, then there will be a zone breakout, and this bigger pattern will support an upside. But we'll see on this particular zone, because we are looking for a two days. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, but before that, I'll show you a dollar index chart, because that is very important, because dollar index is inversely related to gold. Okay, even silver, crude and natural gas. When dollar index rises, we have seen the gold price comes down, silver price comes down, natural gas price come down, and when the dollar index moves down, we have seen all these prices goes up. This is what we see mostly, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so in order to reduce this uncertainty, whenever you start to trade, put your SL. Okay, and so your capital will be safe. And once, no, sorry, when you trail your SL, your capital, your profit will be saved, and when you put your SL, then your capital will be saved. These two things you have to do when, if you want to start to go ahead or accumulate your profit. Okay, dollar index is moving. See, dollar index is already above $100, and understand, as soon as the price started keep moving above $100, chances are very high the price can go above a level of $100.3, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move up towards a level of 100.6, then to a level of 101.7, and then if the price move up this level, probability of touching 102.13 can be seen, and then further upside. But if it started coming down, we can see it can touch a level of 99.6, and then we can see it can go further down towards $98.9. And if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards next level, that is around 97.7, and then further low. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price again, the price is already above a level of 4130, as you can see, and I have told you that 4128 is a strong level. So if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. But if it's the price keep moving above this level, we can see the price can go further upsides. Okay, so let's see if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go further upside towards $41-42. Okay, and if the price moving above this particular level, a further upside can be seen towards next level, that is very close to it and already tested, that is 41.56. This 41.56 is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level, and yes, after that the price can move towards next level. 41.56 is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that particular level, and chances of touching 42.06 can be seen. And once the price moving above that level, we can see a level of 42.47. After 42.06 we can see a level of $42.47. Okay, and once the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen. So what you can do if the price keep moving above this level, trail your SL by $15 to $20. If you're trailing your SL by $15 to $20, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, and once the price sustain of 42.47, there is a higher chances this big pattern will support an upside movement. Okay, but suppose if the price started coming down, see, market is uncertain and dollar index is rising, so there can be a probability it can come down also. And a strong level, I have told you, 41.28. if it started going below this level, we can see there can be a further fall also. Suppose if the price started coming down, we can see it can move towards a level of $41.09, which is a support 1. Okay, 41.09, which is a support 1. And if the price fall below 41.09, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of around $40.99, which is a support 2. And if the price falling below 40.99, a further downfall can be seen towards 40.85. And if the price falling below 40.85, a further fall can be seen towards next level of $40.55. And if the price falling below 40.55, a further downfall can be seen towards 40.38. And understand, again, trail your SL towards downside by $15 to $20, so at least you can capture a downside movement. So if the price fall below 40.38, we can see a level of 40.21, and then there will be a zone breakout, so probability of going towards 4,000 can be seen. And if the price falling below this level, a further downfall will be there. So best trailing your SL by $15 to $20 can be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move further low.